Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. The theme is ICT for Teaching and Learning Writing by using Quizalize. Next, there is Nuraziza, Saskia Rizky, me, and Nafila, Anggraini, and Rofiatu Sania. And then the table of contents, the background of app and the advantage of ICT application, the weakness of the ICT application, Quizalize app from the website, the implementation of the ICT in teaching and learning, and the last, how to use. Quizalize, one of the interesting things is the use of quizzes in learning. This application will make students more creative and less boring in the teaching and learning process. Quizalize is an online application for language assessment access via a computer, tablet, or smartphone. The teacher can make a quiz to make sure the ability of students in the class. Then the teacher can see the result on the dashboard through data report. Next.
And the advantage of Quizalize application, the first, we can make quizzes or question on our own or independently. Two, we can collect questions from the quiz easily. Three, this application can add image from the internet. Four, the program is easy to run by teacher and student. Five, student can see the score after the student has done the quiz. Six, the teacher can search for available question in the quizzes search. Seven, the questions are stored in my library. Eight, this quiz consists of class that can be arranged by the teacher. Next, and the weakness of the Quizalize application. The first, this application uses the internet with a stable connection. Two, student can think for a long time in working on the question because this quiz is influenced by time. Three, the theme setting cannot be adjusted. Four, the available template theme are limited. And last, five, theme of feature are paid. Next.
Okay, next is the display of Quizalize. Is for the teacher. Teacher has to make a class, and this is the display. And for the students, only click the website or only click the link, and the display for student is like this. And next,
Okay, the next is about use Quizalize in teaching English. This lesson plan is for a teach writing scale for 10th grade with a topic, descriptive text, and function. Students are able to recognize descriptive text and make descriptive text. Before learning the descriptive text, students must be able to know about simple present tense, singular and plural, specific subject, attribute verb such as to be, adjective, degrees of comparison, non-phrase, and adverbial such as quite, very, extremely, and etc. And after learning, students are able to distinguish social function, text structure, and linguistic element from descriptive text. Students are able to identify meaning and generic structure in descriptive text. Students are able to identify topic and contents in descriptive text. Students are able to analyze structure from descriptive text. Students are able to explain the information and content from descriptive text. Students are able to describe in writing about tourist place and historical building. Students are able to make descriptive text about tourist place and historical buildings. Next. And learning resource or material or media. Learning resource, other research for learning and the material uploaded to the Quizalize. And a book, English book from Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan, edisi revisi 2017. And media used by teachers, smartphone or laptop, WhatsApp group, Zoom, Quizalize, and Google Classroom. Teaching method and strategies, scientific approach, online learning, cooperative learning model, and discussion method. Next. This for pre-teaching, teacher create a student and warm up student by giving game. For example, teacher saw public place picture and ask the question such as what is this, where is the located, and etc. Next. And this is a well teaching. In well teaching, first teacher explain the text structure and language element used in the descriptive text. Uh, After that, the teacher creates group to identify the text structure and vocabulary from the descriptive text given by the teacher. And also the teacher asks students to observe the descriptive text and write what they get from the descriptive text. And also teacher give opportunity to students to ask what they don't understand. And after that, the teacher instructs students to fill out the question on the Quizalize. And after the student fill out the question, teacher give a feedback at the end of the quiz. Next. And after the well teaching is a post teaching. In post teaching, teacher tells students to always learn about grammar so that they can make a descriptive text. And after that, the teacher give an individual assignment and teacher close the learning activities. Next, this is assessment and assignment. Teacher doing assessment in well teaching. In every student must answer the blank text through Quizalize. Student doing a quiz, the content question related to descriptive text through website. And assignment, teacher give an individual assignment. Student make a descriptive text about tourist place and historical building. Assignment must be submitted through Google Classroom so that teacher can provide comment and feedback. And the next is how to use.
Thank you for the explanation about the Quizalize. This is, I will show you about the video in Quizalize. Open the address on the website page and then the display will appear as below. If you are a teacher, you can choose the teacher login. There are several options, including add new class, edit your class, view class, upgrade to premium, create a new quiz. You can form a new class and you give a name or you can connect to Google Classroom. And then this is when you select aside a new activity, there is discover and my library. After that, you can create a new quiz and you manage question. Okay, there are the material in writing skill. And then after that, you can create new quiz and add question. Okay, in a question, you can add the picture and set. Sebentar, sebentar. Wait. Tolong itu tuh. Perasaan aku bukan dari sini deh. Kecepatan gak sih, Ki? Bentar. Sorry, Naf. Pausen sih, Naf. Naf. Okay, thank you for the explanation about Quizalize, you can open the address on the website, and then the display will appear as below. You can log in Google account, and then this is there are add new class, upgrade to premium, and create a new quiz, and then you can view a class that you can create a new quiz with making a question. You can form a new class and you give a name, or you can connect to Google Classroom, and then after you create a new class, there are and you got some information or resources, and you can add in library. After that, okay, there are some material. Oh, you can arrange your schedule that you can make a quiz. Okay, now you can create a new class. You can edit the class, and then when you select aside new activity, there is discover and my library. After that, you can create new quiz and you manage question. You can add some question or several. In Quizalize, you can add a picture and set a question and answer that there are a false or wrong answer, and then the correct answer. If you need match image, audio, and text to speech, you can set on. Okay, now you can save and give to class. Okay, there are examples from the question. Okay, in the below, the code that give to the teacher. Okay, next for a student to display about the quiz slides. Okay, the next for student go to the website address and then insert the code. Okay, next student must fill in their name. Okay, next student can start working on the question with the duration of time. Okay, student answer the question. Okay, if the student has answered all the question, the display appear as below, and then student will get a score, feedback, and evaluation. For submission of essay form assignment, student can collect it through Google Classroom, and because Quizalize can be connected to the Google Classroom. Okay, I think that's all from our workshop. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.